diversity. Our gender and sexuality shape who we are. Yet, for many in the Philippines, the fight for equality is far from over. This is the story of Soji, sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression.
The Soji Equality Bill was first filed in the year 2000. Its goal is to protect individuals from discrimination based on sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression. For more than 2 decades, the bill has been refiled again and again, yet it has never been passed into law.
Despite setbacks, advocates and community
mapiktuhan mo dito kung kaya sa nang sobrang overthinker as a person. And there is nothing wrong also when you are very overthinker. Kung kami ka makauna kay naan ba yung impression ng ito. Pero based on my experience, way ko dili masama kung magpakatutuo ka as a person. So by with that, I will be able to express who I am, hindi ako mahaglaw ng minsan. Labi na ko ang nag-PR din in the 21st century. So, kung may ang mga tao more knowledgeable daw sila when it comes sa mga Soji people. Kaya before, na-ako lang mga homophobic. So by with that, mapikuhan ko din kita as member ng Soji people. So, kung man-access na ako dyan ng mga homophobic na mga tao, pero mas mudaw magod ang iyong way daw pagpapalito sa iyong sarili kung nasurrounded ka ng mga tao na accepted ka for being true to yourself. So, aside from that, mas nanatili sa dyan ang gugmanin mo sa iyong sarili. Hindi mo gugmanin mo towards na anong people. Dapat sa iyong maulin mo ang iyong paubalin mo. Yung sa unin mo pagtugma sa laing tao mo, ikaw mismo nilin mo gugmao na iyong paubalin mo. And that is also part of being true to yourself. Dapat lawag mo kung isa na ikaw as a person. Maybe that, day by day or process by process, ma-identify mo kung isa na ikaw as a person. So, never forget na why is siya mali. Kung nagpakuan pa sa mga style, kung gina-express niyo kung yung ani ka na way, don't just mind those people na marami with the mga house sa imo. Ay, importante ko yun na dapat mo yung pagaling and you are also surrounded by those people who support you. Sa imo down and upswing.
Okay, that was a good lesson how to learn from your experiences. And we want to let you know that we are so proud that you're able to handle those experiences. So before we end this interview, we want to know what is your message to those individuals who struggle the same, who feel the same struggles as what you feel experienced.
Okay, so to those people now who are also experiencing like some who na-experience before or kung ano pa may na-experience nila, my message is that ako ba ang aking taghaglukan? Ako na ulit siya on kay there is nothing wrong when you are going to face those first metal na yung gina-feel like haglug ko na ko yung iso dapat hindi na ako niyang kung harap ka na kulain way na para mas makuntuan pa. For me, hindi dapat ingana. Di natin siya galit ang problema o ang ato mga ginahaglukan. Yes. Kung hawak kita sa itong comfort zone, kaya hindi ulit tayo siya na dapat inagili. Kaya ang growth, uyan siya sa imo zone. Pagka dili ikaw, dili ang imo zone, uyan siya dili ang growth. Yan na nakapanibot ang growth. Diyan sa gawas. That's why I am also encouraging everyone na makawa sa isang comfort zone. Try sa na ipag-socialize kahit ordinary people na hindi kita tawag to being true to ourselves, but siya yung tao na maka-feel or makasabot sa atong ibati kung kinsa ka siya. Yes, kailangan sa natin ng karamay in life. Kaya hindi sa siguro all the time na kita-kita na sa pinta. Okay, kailangan masalagin natin ng mga tao na mga good influence to us. So, I guess, kailangan na din natin ng courage para mas mo-fight para sa ating mga ganahandukan in life. And always remember that we are not different. It is because we are uniquely ourselves.
That ends our interview. Once again, thank you, Mr. Duelan, for being here today.
Bye. The fight for equality is not just all about those. It is about the lives of the people. The stories of LGBTQIA+ people remind us the courage it takes to be true to oneself and the compassion we must show to others.